This video is about Commando AirBULLET AIR-WA1800AX wireless USB adapter installation. So let's start. Insert Wi-Fi 6 AIR-WA1800AX in a PC or laptop. And after inserting that, insert the driver or installation CD coming along with the product in the CD or DVD reader. Open this, run this auto run. So this Commando AirBULLET AIR-WA1800AX wireless USB adapter complies with IEEE 802.11ax standard with built-in dual band in unlicensed frequencies. It has FEM front-end module that amplifies the RF signal and therefore increases the range, distance and the strength of link connection. In addition to extending the range, the RF FEM also increases the robustness of the link connection. It has both PA and LNA. PA stands for power amplifier, LNA stands for low noise amplifier. So PA and LNA are always not combined in any device. Commando has this facility of combining these two things in one. Wi-Fi 6 USB 3.0 adapter, which is suitable for high-speed connection, which enables communication between access point to this wireless USB adapter with speeds up to 1800 Mbps. It is IEEE AX compliant, Wi-Fi 6 with backward compatible with AX with USB 3.0. It supports desktop, PC, laptop having Windows 11, 10 and 7 only. It has 64 and 128-bit WEP, complies with 128-bit WPA standards with TK/IP and AES. It supports MIC, IV expansion, shared key authentication, IEEE 802.1ax encryption and provide protected wireless network connection as well as wireless data transmissions. Dual band antennas are with 2 dBi gain in both frequencies and with transmit power of 20 dBm. It uses modulation technologies, namely DPSK, then DQPSK, CCK, OFDM, 16 QAM, 64 QAM, 256 QAM and 1024 QAM. So this device not only works in unlicensed band, but also it has backward compatibility with Wi-Fi 3, 4, 5 and 6 technologies. So this is a very useful device for your CD or the laptop. After finishing this, you go to the Wi-Fi prompt, you will get the new Wi-Fi 3 and you can connect with any of the either 2G, 5G, 6G, any of the connector in unlicensed band. Let us say I want to connect this. So I will have the password for this. Without CD installation, you cannot use Wi-Fi 6. So you can go to the properties of this connection and can see you are connected with the help of Wi-Fi 6 device. This is a Wi-Fi 6 device. So Wi-Fi 6 USB NIC. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.